Hi my friends, it's Fawad again with one more video. I got a new number from work, so I got a new phone, but I dropped it, so it's not that bad. The screen is really very good. uh, I will see on bottom, I think it's dropped, so it's a little bit scratches on there. On the side, little bit glasses, you can see that hairline over there. um, it's really not that much visible too. The only problem is when you turn it on and off and go from lock screen. So I try a lot of stuff to fix it, and I only find a temporary fix actually. So if you go and lock the screen and come back, it starts flickering. So which I want to show you what's the temporary fix to. See, when I pick it up and try to turn it on, it starts flickering. Look at those green screen and the lines. Anything else looks fine. Always displays good. On the screen is good. On the side a little bit, that's the on the left hand corner the hairline is. Look at that screen, so it feels so bad. I go for the home screen, home button, nothing changed. I swipe it. I have no security on it because I don't want to screw it. So let's see, I try it again. Okay, so let's show you how to do it. Just resolution, brightness come down. Look at that screen is flickering. So whatever I do is no difference to that. Even the phone app, I even tried the call in. Screen looks intact, but the flicker makes it worse. So I try even the messaging app. Actually, I try to know. Then I go for the surfing, Samsung internet, but it's still not even. So that's mean whatever I do, still in. Right? So that's the fix. Goes down. Put the brightness to the full, like to the max. See, it's not even flicker right now, not even a single one. And you can see that there is nothing, no signs like it's flickering or he had a problem. The screen looks very good, and I'm using the black theme because I don't want the brightness bother my eyes. That's why I'm using the black theme right now. Look at that phone app, is working fine. I check even the screen, all those touch is working, all those numbers are working. Even look at this one, Samsung internet thing, still fine. And this is the black spot on the screen on the left hand corner, which I was talking about, and a hairline. That's the only damage on the screen right now. But the problem is the screen flickers. So I used this fix, but I was so happy to do it, but then it start flicker when it goes to the home screen or lock screen. See those lines on the top? You can feel those colors on the screen where that black spot is. The camera works fine, everything is fine, just like the flickering. The only problem right now is whenever, see, if I go to my email is fine, and Google Chrome, so everything looks fine except the thing like if I go down here, take the brightness down and it start flickering. I'm still looking for any way to fix it, but I go to my repair shop and they were saying $275 to fix the whole screen because they want to replace the whole screen, which the LCD and the glass on top. So which is still a very too much price for that. I can even get a used S7 Edge for that price, so I don't want to fix it. But if I put it on the full brightness, it will fix it for me, so why not? But the only problem right now is when I lock the screen, it flickers. and when you pick up the phone, sometimes when somebody calls you, you start flickering. You can't even answer the phone because you don't know that everything is blinded by that. See, if I want to, yeah, see, I lock the lock screen. When you turn it on, home button flickers and it's green with the lines on. So if I swipe it up, it's open the phone, but it won't even show me. So see, the screen is dead right now with the green. So try 2-3 times and it comes back to life, and put the brightness to the full, and then it's good to go. But this is not the permanent issue fix, and it's a temp one. Let's see if I can fix that one and get a new phone. Hopefully you like my video. Please like and subscribe. Peace.